In this video, I'll show you the very easy way to make your Roblox avatar taller using the built-in avatar editor. This works for all players and doesn't require any Robux. First, open the Roblox website and make sure you're assigned into your account. In the top left, click the navigation bar and select Avatar. Now, hover over head and body and you'll see an option called Scale underneath. Click on this. Make sure your body type is set to R15. The first thing we're going to do is increase the height slider all the way to maximum. This is the main step for making your avatar taller. Next, we're going to reduce the width of the character. This creates the illusion of an even taller avatar by making them more standard. You can also consider reducing the head size to enhance the tall effect. And finally, I like to set the proportions all the way to 0% as well. If you're using R6, which is a classic body type, consider switching to R15, which is newer, which generally appears taller and more proportional. And that's how easy it is to make your Roblox avatar taller.